Good day everyone. Now I present of our business model canvas. First is customer segments. We create value for students, employees, residents, and travelers and snacks lovers aged 5 years old and above in New Bataan and derby areas who looks for affordable, delicious, and unique ready-to-eat snacks. Definition. This refers to the specific group of people or community members in New Bataan and Nerbiton whom our business aim to serve and satisfy with our Saba-based snacks. Type and guides. Mass market targeting a broad audience. Who are your target customers? Target customers are students, office workers, residents, travelers, and all snacks lover. What are the demographics? Age 5 above and gender male, female, location New Bataan, Davao de Oro, and low middle income. What are the needs, wants, or pinpoints? Affordable, tasty, unique, easy to carry, long shelf life. How many potential customers are these segments? Thousands of people, including students, marketers, and residents. Next is value proposition. We offered a unique crispy snacks made from fresh local Saba bananas coated with special cheese flavor, affordable, tasty, and made from locally available ingredients. Definition. These are the benefits, feature, and unique qualities of Saba Cheesy Crunch and solve the customer needs, provide satisfaction, and give them a reason to choose our product over other. Type of and guide. Newness. Sometimes totally new to the market. Price. Offering similar value at the lower price. Convenience, usability. Easier and simpler to use. What the problem does your business solve? Provide snacks, variety, and support local farmers. What need are you satisfying? Hunger, craving for sweet, savory, crispy snacks, safe food. Why would customer choose you over competitors? Unique bananas, cheese flavor, locally made, cheaper, long-lasting crunch. What makes your product serve unique? Uses abundant local Saba with special cheese formula. Next is channel. We reach customer through direct selling in school market, even via social media with direct delivery service to make product easy to find and buy. Definition. These are the different way, place, and method we use to communicate with our customers, promote our product, and deliver Saba Cheesy Crunch. Type and guide. Awareness. Local media and ads. Evaluation. Free testing. Purchase. Physical stores online. Delivery. Direct handover. Local delivery. After sales. Feedback collection. Where will customer find you? Online, physical, etc. Content markets, both, even Facebook page. How will you promote our product? Your conduct service. Social media, free test, faster word or mouth. What is your sales process? See, test, buy, pay. How will orders of fulfilled or delivered? Direct handover, local delivery of for bulk order. And the next is customer relationship. We build friendly personal relationships through good service, free testing, feedback collection, and discount to keep customers satisfied and loyal. And the definition. This describe how we interact, treat, and connect with our customers from the first time they see our product until after they buy to keep them happy coming back. Type and guide. Personal assistance, direct interaction, communities, social group, events, co-creation, feedback, and suggestion. Then, how do you interact with customers before, during, and after purchase? Friendly, welcome free test, fast service, feedback request. Then, how will you attract new customers? Free testing, low price, promotions. Then, how will you keep existing customers loyal? Consistent quality, good service, discount. How will you grow your relationship with them over time? Listen to suggestion, update flavor, value customers. And revenue streams. We earn income by selling Saba cheesy crunch in a different price pack size. 10 pesos and 20 pesos and 50 pesos with discounts available for bulk or wholesale orders. Definition. This is where our business gets its money or income. It refers to what customers are paying for the how much they are willing to give in exchange for our product. Types and guide. Asset sales, selling physical product. And how will your business make money? Direct sales, different pack size. And what are customers paying for? Product receive quality ingredients and clean production. How much they will willing to pay? 10 small and 20 pesos medium and 50 plus pesos large bulk. Its pricing fixed, negotiable, subscription based or per use. Fixed price need to be negotiable for wholesale book. And next is key resources. We rely on fresh Saba bananas, quality ingredients, proper cooking equipment, skilled workers, sufficient capital, and our unique recipe and brand name. Definition. These are the most important things, materials, people, and tools that we need to have so we can make, produce, and sell Saba's Cheesy Crunch successful. Type and guide. Physical. Ingredients, tools, location. Intellectual. Recipe, brand name. Human. Skills, knowledge. Financial, capital, funds. Then what physical assets do you need? Equipment, location, tools. Saba cheese, powder, oil, packaging, fryers, slicer, clean area. Then what knowledge, skills, expertise are required? Selection, slicing, fried, flavor mixing, food safety. Then what uh, financial resource are needed to start? Capital for materials, stores, permit, marketing. And what proper proprietary information or brand do you have? Unique cheese recipe, brand name, and Saba's Cheesy Crunch. Next is key activities. Our main activities include sourcing, banana cooking, flavored packing, quality checking, marketing, selling, and keeping all operation clean and safe. Definition. These are the most important daily tasks, work, and action that we must perform to produce our product, serve customers, and keep the business running. Then types and guide. Production. Making and delivering products. The next is what are the core tasks your business must perform daily? Buy suppliers, peel, slice, fry, and flavor, pack, sell, and clean. What activities are needed to deliver the value proposition? Quality check, hygiene, consistent test, proper labeling. And what activities support your channel and customer relationships? Social media inquired sampling feedback. And what operation tasks keep your business running? Uh, in, Inventory, record sales, restock, and clean equipment. And next is key partnership. We work with local Saba farmers, ingredient suppliers, school canteen, and event organizers to ensure steady supply and wider selling opportunities. Definition: these are the people, group, or other businesses that we work with or rely on to help us to get materials, reduce cost, and sell our product easily. Types and guide. Buyer. Supplier relationships. A reliable supply chain. Then who are your suppliers or vendors? Local farmers, ingredient stores, packaging suppliers. And who else do you collaborate with to deliver value? Canteen owners, market vendors, event organizers. What resource of activities do partners provide? Farmers, cost fresh material suppliers, cost low cost vendors, cost selling price space. What motivate the partnership? Reduce cost, access a resource, reduce risk. Steady supply, lower cost, where the market support local economy. And next is cost structure. Major costs are the raw materials, packaging equipment, permits, transportation, and utilities. Utilities, we spend most on quality ingredients to ensure great taste. Definition: this lists down all and the expenses, spending, and money needed to operate the business, make the product, and keep it running smoothly. Types and guide. Cost driven. Minimize expenses, fixed cost, constant cost, variable cost, change and with production. And what there and your biggest expenses, startup and operational. Raw materials, packaging tools, permits, and transport. And what are your fixed monthly costs? Permits, small utilities, maintenance. And what are your variable costs per unit? Materials per pack increase with the production. And last is what are you willing to spend the most on and why? Raw materials because quality quality ingredients equals good taste. Next is the business model canvas. First is key partnership. Key partnership is local farmers, suppliers, canteens, event organizers. Then cost structures, materials, packaging, tolls, permits, transports, utilities. Then key activities, source, cook, flavor, pack, market, sales, maintain quality. And key resources, ingredients, equip, skills, capital, receive, brand. Then value proposition, unique cheesy banana snacks, affordable, local, crispy, convenient. And revenue streams, 10 pesos and 20 pesos and 50 pesos pack, book sales, wholesale order. And customer relationships, personal service, free test, feedback, discount, local media. The social media channels, contains market event, Facebook, direct delivery. Then customer segment, students, residents, travelers, and snacks lovers age 5 above and low middle income. And that's all. Thank you for listening.